It's giving very wiggy. It's giving football forehead, and with a little bit of Beyonce, but I don't want to try her like that. Hey, what's up, boss babes, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing a 28-inch straight synthetic wig, and she was under $25. Don't worry, when you click the link below, it will match that same energy, because when you go to a video and they're saying it costs this much, and then you click the link and it's a whole nother wig, I just wasted my 15 minutes. Anyways, nevertheless, because that's not me, we are boss babes on a budget, and I got y'all. I did buy this wig on Amazon. I actually bought two. This one came a day later, and I don't know if you can hear him, but he literally is pulling off. So once I finish this video, I'm excited to go downstairs and grab the wig. Hold on. Thank you, Amazon. Okay, let's get into this wig. It came in this simple plastic bag. Their company name is Vigorous. They also came with some wig caps, but they were super light, so I just went ahead and put on the ones that I bought separately. And then here she is. Ooh, 28 inches. Look at that. Definitely gonna need some touch up, flat iron, shake out. If you watch my videos before, I always take them out a day before I record just to air it out and not put it straight on my head. It is a middle part lace wig. The lace is only right here where the middle part is, so you can pluck and kind of play around with it to make it a little bit more natural. She has two combs on the side, one in the back, and also the drawstring. So let's go ahead and put her on. Oof. Just to let you guys know, it is shedding. Like, my leg is super hairy right now. I mean, for multiple reasons, but oh my god, this is like, what is this little piece? What is this little piece? The first put on looks really good. It's definitely gonna be a wig that sheds a lot. I'm gonna tell you all that now because, oof, it's a lot of hair. Very, very thick hair, so just be mindful of that. You will have a lot of hair once you finish styling and profiling. She is really pretty. The color is gorgeous. Let's tuck this part so we can see a little bit more before I start styling it. I don't know about you all, but this middle part is not going to work for me. It is super thin. It's giving very wiggy. It's giving football forehead, and with a little bit of Beyonce, but I don't want to try her like that. But the color, you know that wig she wears with this color and the little blonde streaks? It's giving much to that. So I'm going to go ahead and style this wig, which I'm only focusing on cutting this baby lace, getting some baby hairs up to the front, and definitely making this middle part a little bit more natural for me. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Loving how you wind up for me tonight.
Since it's a synthetic wig, that's such a tongue twister. I'm not gonna pluck it perfect or anything like that. I'm actually gonna do a quick, simple razor trick and just kind of widen the space. So, oh, you can't see, sorry.
'Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again.
If you didn't think you were shedding hair before, you're definitely shedding hair now. And yes, I am extremely hot in front of my lights right now.
Again, in love. Yeah.
I think it's important, make sure as you're, doing your razor cutting or your plucking to pull the hair out as you go, or you can just brush it all at the end, but I like to go ahead and try to decrease as many clunks as possible. But okay, it's looking much better. I could stop here if I wanted to, but I want it a little bit wider.
I'm watching her like YouTube. I wanna ride like choo choo. You love to do me cuckoo. Hey, yeah. Loving the way you move around me. The body don't wait to shut it down. Won't you?
As you can see, it takes the heat very well. Look how beautiful that just came out. I honestly don't remember using any kind of heat to synthetic wigs, but now maybe it was always a thing and we just never did it because it's not human hair. So I got a little too comfortable with that heat, honey. Almost left it on there a little too long. All right, so she looks so good. Hold on, I'm a little oily. Look at that. Yes, I would definitely say this hair takes heat very well. Look how good and shiny it looks, but not too shiny. But it does tangle a lot because the wig is just that thick. Okay, so now let's see where we want to put these baby hairs, because it's still giving football cap. Let me see how the pullback looks, because my baby hairs come out so far. That can be fine if I wanted to, but I definitely want to put something like right here. Still feels a little too wiggy for me. Y'all like my new little setup with my little hair stuff in the back? Makes it so much easier.
Looking so surprised, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love it when she want to be my lover, yeah.
Alright, so let's go ahead and do the reveal of the fullness. Alright, so what do you all think? It's giving better than before. It's giving I tried Beyonce's color but a little cheaper. A lot cheaper. Alright babes, so it's time to rate this wig. From a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, I'll give it a 6.5. And I know you're like, Lee, this wig is gorgeous. Yes, but honestly, it will probably last a confident like week, and that's okay because it's only $25. I'm not expecting it to last me 3 months down the line. No, hear me out. I can tell by how thick it is. It's going to tangle with every sway that you move your hair. So if you don't mind brushing your hair out and having all of this extra hair fall out, that's cool. I just know I would probably rock it confidently like 3 to 4 times and then kind of layer it and make it even more just flowy and short and then thin it out so it doesn't get tangled. Like, look how tangled it gets, right? However, the other points come in. The color is gorgeous, okay? I'm not gonna lie, you cannot beat this. If I've never tried a color before, like a burgundy or a highlighted wig like this, before I buy an expensive $200-300 human wig, baby girl, hear me out. Please buy the synthetic version just to get a feel of the color so that you're confident before you go spend all of that money and then you don't like the color and now you gotta dye it and play. No, that's too much work for those price points. Before I spend all of this money, all of my hard-earned money on a weave, let me try a synthetic version. If you're just rocking this straight and you're like, I have a weekend event that I want to go to, yes, this is that wig. You rock your colors, have your brush, have your flat iron, make sure you feel me, get that middle part and you're set. Like, this will be that wig for you. It's really pretty though. Like, you can't deny the color looks amazing. It takes a while to heat and it didn't take that much to actually pull this wig together. I will post an update. If you're not subscribed to my channel, show your girl some love and press the subscribe button. We are on our way to the 1K and I'm so excited to be a part of this community. Check out some other wig reviews if you're new to my page. And then again, to all of my returning subscribers, what's good, what's poppin'? Thank you all for showing the love, supporting, commenting, just saying, oh my god, that's awesome, or have fun, or thanks for sharing. Let me do my face real quick and I'll be back. Okay, so I put a little bit of makeup on, nothing too crazy, and it's giving. Like, you see I can see me in all black. Ooh, where's my hat? Right behind me. Hey girl, I'm gonna work on you next, don't worry. Coachella, fall time or something. Definitely like a cute, I see so much with this. This is so cute. Alright boss babes, I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Thanks for joining me on this one. I do have 2 more wigs that I'm going to be reviewing, so stay tuned for those. God bless you. Bye.